Why are you peeing on the floor?
You want to go for a walk?
Hi, Ralphie.
Then why? Oh my gosh. Oh no.
Get you a little bit.
A corn muffin, please.
What happened?
There's a problem down here. Okay, I'm making a
What's the matter? What?
How do you feel about this project we got going on, huh?
Whisper. Good job, Whisper. Whisper. Good job.
You know?
You want to fight? Let's do it. You want to fight? Let's do it.
Will you look at me, Milton?
Are you mad? Come here. Come.
He turned his head.
Come.
No! No! Shut up! Stop talking back to me!
Kaget, Bu.
Are you complaining to me about something?
Are you guys kidding me? Don't show off.
Remy.
Scooter. Scooter. Hey, we gotta go home. I have an actual toddler. An actual toddler. I'm sorry, we ran out of meat.
No.
Let me see. Did you just try to kill Kevin?
Did you just call me a bitch? Did you call me a bitch?
Yeah.
Why?
I was in the grocery store for like 2 minutes. I had to run in there, grab us something to eat, and I came right back out.
Dicey, can you not get out? I can't let you out.
All you ever do is yell at me.
Did you see the ones I sent you last night?
My dog is eating hot Cheetos out of the bag, and he's mad at me. Ben, you cannot eat those.